So today we're working on this beautiful suspension here. Lovely. Hopefully we can get to that rear shock. As of now, we're gonna work on the forks, see how far we get, see what we run into. Let's pull these things apart, see what's inside.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't have a lie. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge.
There we go, it pops free. Look at all that lovely stuff. So here we have all of our components cleaned up. I didn't find any nicks or dents or anything in the fork tube. That's pretty good. This guy, got polished up real nice on the end there. We do have just some wear marks. So now all of these components here, these washers, seals, bushings, all get to be replaced. And then there's a couple O-rings as well. You have that one, that guy right there. Our little bleeder screw has a little O-ring in there as well. So we'll change all those out. Put 300 cc's in here. Oh, maybe that's way too much. I don't know. So we're gonna work all air bubbles out. So what I could find online is about 105 mils from the top. Best way, mark some cardboard. As you can see, I got my 100 mils, this section here marked out. Went ahead, put this end in the vise, got this torqued at 40. Just run things through. Everything is good to go. Now the only thing is just our adjusters, compression and rebound. I wrote mine down. Who knows if this was even set close. I'll have to look online real quick, find some specs. One thing I did do is also remove casting lines off the back. Looks pretty good. There were a couple chips here and there. I think maybe I just did that, so I'll have to hit that with the Dremel again. Smooth that out. Casting removed, and then just smoothed out these numbers. There you go. If you do need to, remove the bleeder screw, bleed any air out stuck in there. But we got one all finished up, and I think it looks great. So I'm not sure if we can find maybe some blacked out KYB stickers we can toss on the side, just like we did with our Showa. But as is, looks really good. Now I'm just gonna grab the other one, time lapse that, get it busted out. Here we go. Both of these polished up, cleaned up, all rebuilt. They look great. Really great. Right now I just kind of have settings for rebound and compression just kind of middle of the road. You know, we'll see how she rides later, but for now, suspension, good to go. Now, I'm guessing that this thing is probably going to be one of the worst rear shocks that I've dealt with. Basically right now, the only thing that is working on this is the spring. That's it. It was a pogo stick, basically. So this thing is going to be absolutely roached. I might have to let this soak in the parts washer like overnight. It's so bad. So I'll probably fix this thing up on another day. I'll see you then. So here we are, all cleaned up. Got the springs sanded up inside and out. Shock body, we'll clean that up just a little bit more. I'm not going to do a full complete polish on that guy. All our components though, polished up. We'll be reusing all these. That's beautiful as well. All these components will replace. We do have a new shock bumper. Looks like the stock ones, they made black ones. But we do have Prime MX one instead of that ugly yellow guy. So we're going to go ahead and replace all of our seals components there on the spring here. I'm going to go ahead and paint it, give it a couple coats, see what happens here.
I just met us. I just met us.
This thing is perfect. All cleaned up. Just left the body non-polished. It is so cool when these get powder coated or Cerakoted. It'd been awesome to do like light bronze on that. And then here, this is just painted spring. It's kind of like a dark metallic bronze. Looks really good, I think. Prime MX wheels, polished up all of our components really nice. Basically the only thing we're going to do is release all of our air and then go get this charged with nitrogen. So I just went ahead and pressed that new bearing in there. The old one, pretty crusty. I think I'm gonna pick one more part for the day. Triples or the carb. Let's go with the triple clamps. Get those busted out. So we're gonna ditch these bar clamps. Toss on some good old pro tapers. Oversized mount. We're just gonna clean up these triples. I might not have new hardware for the clamps as well. And bearings, probably just gonna keep for now. Enough. Got the pro taper clamps on there. Big bars, not sure what bars we're gonna use quite yet. So that's it for this episode. We knocked out a few things. Next episode, I think I'm gonna wrap up everything really. Swing arm, finish polishing that up. New bearings, carb, all these little pieces here and there. And then we do have to finish up the wheels as well. Other than that, appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.